Sir, and our Sanghis, do we have to say anything about them? Sir, the worst thing, we had one of the ministers who was, I should thank him because he phrased the word, go Corona, go Corona, go. Sir, everyone, all the Sanghis joined the road, bursting crackers as if we have won the Corona war. Because I'm telling the truth, you can't stop me, sir. This is what happens. You don't allow people to tell the truth. Someone should say that. That's what the opposition is doing. Sir, I don't know, sir, whenever a prime minister comes at 8 p.m., only bad news follows. In 2016, he comes, he announces, he makes every Indian stand in the queue before the banks and to take their own money. Similarly, he announced the lockdown on 24th of March and asked us all to stand before without even planning. There was not strategic planning with the states. The states were unaware. We never expected such a big lockdown and nothing happened. Chaos, chaos. And sir, again, our prime minister comes at 8 p.m. and this says, okay, now we are in a lockdown. I want all of you to clap your hands as if you have achieved something. What have we achieved? Sir, and our Sanghis, do we have to say anything about them? Instead of clapping their hands in the balconies, they are all gathered in the roads spreading the coronavirus because the prime minister asked to clap their hands. Sir, the worst thing, we had one of the ministers who was, I should thank him because he phrased the word, go Corona, go. Sir, this became such a trending phase and people, and thankfully, the reason I thanked him because it was said in English and thanks, no, it was not, he was popularizing English. Usually you'd be popularizing Sanskrit or Hindi, but this was the trending thing. Sir, can Corona go? Was that a scientific approach? Then our prime minister comes and says, light up a candle, light up a lamp. Sir, did they do it? Everyone, all the Sanghis joined the road, bursting crackers as if we have won the Corona war. Sir, they all thought, because, sir, next. Sir, I have respect for Prime Minister. The Prime Minister says, today, I'm going to honor all the health workers. We are going to allow the army to send the helicopters to flower them. Sir, one doctor friend of mine said, what is wrong with the Prime Minister? They are asking us to stand 1 hour before the event in the sun because the Prime Minister is watching the television, so we have to come out, which could be utilized to save the patients who are dying in the emergency units. Sir, this is not that. This is what I said, Tirkural said. There should be some good advisors in the cabinet to say what you're doing is, PM, what you're doing is wrong. There was not a single person. Because I'm telling the truth, you can't stop me, sir. This is what happens. You don't allow people to tell the truth. Someone should say that. That's what the opposition is doing. And sir, the biggest joke, and before my honorable member who spoke to me said that the government gave money. Sir, that is one of the biggest lies, sir. Sir, not a single person I've seen has got money, sir. And companies can write off postpone their loans, or whoever has to pay the payment for the cars can repay it later. Sir, it never happened. In fact, the banks never listened to the finance minister. People expected something because the Prime Minister of Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand came and announced what they said is, do not worry. Don't worry about your employees. We'll give you 80% salary for 6 months to your employees. Do not send them home. Do not. But what did he do, sir? Sir, this is the first thing we did is 30% salary cut for all the members of parliament. Sir, it's a good thing. We are ready to give our salaries, even 100%. Sir, the message went down the line that if the Prime Minister can cut the salaries by 30%, every private company reduce their salaries for the employees 30 to 40% and made someone a bit jobless.